That's only 4 days away.
The pH of this soil is too high. I believe I may die.
Fuck yeah, concrete!
Check it out, I just made some synonym rolls. Some synonym rolls. Some rolls.
Need some tea?
No,
Why?
because I'm all out of money!
Just give me my money! Dude, can you please shut up? Wait, listen. Just give me my money. Bro, stop. It's so annoying. Wait, listen to this. Just give me my money. Shut up! Shut up! Dude, is everything okay?
Check it out, I just made some synonym rolls. Some synonym rolls. Some rolls.
Crush it, melt it, cakeify it, explode it, squish it.
Reduce your expectations to 0.
Now, good night.
Oh, thank you, my lady. Be careful of my heart, won't you? You see, you're taking it home with you tonight. Please, don't break it.
Good night, Your Grace.
If I can't have you, no one can.
Something's creeping closer. There's no one left to find you. I'll take your place inside you.
I liked here. That's is from a movie, okay? It's a character that everyone can make. Own style, of course.
Angela! I can call you Angela, right?
For you, Dr. Ziegler.
Oh, I'm a little hurt, Doctor.
I keep forgetting to calibrate my staff to your higher temperature.
Thanks for reminding me that I'm hot stuff.
More like the stuff of medical nightmares.
Wretch, we're wretch, we're the wretch.
Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. I got guns in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head.